In this video, we're going to learn how to disable an effect without deleting it, which means turning it off temporarily while keeping all the settings saved. This is very helpful when you want to compare the original clip with the effect applied. Let's start. First, select the clip on your timeline that has the effect applied. Now, go to the Effect Controls panel. Inside Effect Controls, you'll see the list of applied effects. Next to each effect name, you'll see a small FX button. If the FX button is highlighted, that means the effect is active. Now click on the FX button. As soon as you click it, you'll notice the FX becomes struck through, which means the effect is now disabled. The effect is not deleted. All your settings remain exactly the same. If you click the FX button again, the strike through disappears and the effect becomes active again with all previous values intact. This is the safest way to temporarily turn off an effect without losing your adjustments. And that's it. You now know how to disable an effect without deleting it in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.